Good morning. I'll keep it brief. First of all, just thank you guys for coming out. This is the third year that we have done this, and when we started the foundation and started the first golf tournament, we knew that we wanted to live out our mission of really making a difference in the places where we get to work, the people we get to serve. And here we are in year 3, and look at it. It is a tremendous honor for us that you guys, as powerful partners for Joeris, continue to show up, support the foundation, support our cause, and I just want to say thank you. It's going to be a great day for golf.